Here with another Bitcoin update. All right, this is Bitcoin on the 12 hour. You can see it's bull flagging up here. All right, getting ready to break out again. Looks like we could be attempting to break that $36,000 level. All right, first thing it has to take out is this 35. That's about 35,100. Okay, that's where we ran into resistance. That's where we would be expecting this next breakthrough. Okay, then the next one, if we go out on the weekly here, got some pretty important stuff to show you here. Actually, excuse me. Let's go out in the monthly. All right, if you take a look at Bitcoin on the monthly here, all right, there's a very critical area here that this thing needs to break. Okay, number one would be right where we're at now. Okay, you can see this major right here. This was major support. Okay, back in the 2021 bull run, that's where it came down. Got the bounce from there. Let me minimize this a little bit so you can see it. Okay, we had this massive run up in 2021. This was the big pullback that scared everybody. I remember this. This was very scary. All right, but that's where we gained support, and that's where we got our final rally out of. Okay, then when we came down, we also, this was a major support area here. Okay, right at 38. Roughly 38,500, right about that level. Okay, but this area right here at 35,000 bucks, if we could flip that into support, you can see we bounced up against it once here. This is on the monthly candle here. Okay, we bounced up and got rejected off of it. If we could get up there and flip that into support, all right, that would be a major win. Okay, bounce up here, get this into support. We would gain this area back right over here, which would be huge. Okay, that's what we're looking for next here. I think that's what this thing's going to attack here very soon. All right, I'm going to show you some stuff that's going to back that up. And what it does to the altcoins is absolutely incredible. All right, if you look over here, look at the week. All right, now if we go on the monthly, this is the top 100 altcoins. All right, Bitcoin's ran up 33% this month. Okay, this is what it does to the top 100. This is where you get all your gains. Now, if Bitcoin can break through this next level, you're going to see a lot more of this. Okay, that's where obviously Bitcoin brings the money in the market. Okay, now if we put a Fibonacci on this move, right from here down, okay, you can see that first extension, that target up there is 36,495. Let's go into weekly here so we make sure we have this exactly where it needs to be. Okay, that's our high right there, and this is our low right. But this is perfect there, right there. Okay, so about 36,170. All right, that's our first target for the fib. You can see we ended up breaking up right up through these levels. We ran into that 35,000 bucks right here and got rejected so far. Now, if we go in on the smaller time frames like the 12, that's where you can see that bull flag forming. Okay, and we're just about on the verge of breaking out of it here. All right, you can see the 12-hour RSI is way oversold, and on the bottom it's a 12 and an 8. Okay, and we also have the 8-hour is on the bottom. It's a 12 and a 16 right on the bottom here. Okay, we have a green candle, and the 4-hour is just starting up. Okay, you can see if we zoom into this flag, it's just on the verge of ripping out of here. Okay, now the measured move for this breakout. All right, let's go to the 12-hour here. Let's get back on here. Let's take a measurement of this flag and see what the measured move for this thing would be. All right, from the top to the bottom. Put this on top. All right, that would give us a break of the area if we go back out on the monthly. Why wasn't there? How about the weekly? Why didn't it leave? It's leaving it on the daily. Okay, it's giving us a target up there almost 36,880. 36,880. So that would put us up in this range. Let's see here. 36,880. It gives us a target. Let's just move this up to that target. 36,000. Good enough. Right there. Let's lock it. That's the target it's given us for a breakout of that wedge. Okay, so that would be incredible. That would flip what we've been looking at here. Okay, if we go back out on a monthly, that would flip this into support. That would put us up here, up in this upper range, which would be huge. Okay, as far as the Fibonacci goes on the whole move here, let's see. Let's get rid of this. Okay, this would be our target 36. Where would that put us as far as a retracement? All right, because we're looking to at least get a 618 retracement out of Bitcoin. All right, that would only put us at a 382. All right, we're looking at higher targets up here. 48 would be 618 retracement. All right, but that would be a good start to flip that. Okay, obviously. All right, so let's take a look at a couple other things here. All right, we get that breakout of this, and then we flip this prior resistance into support. So watching for this anytime now. Okay, I'd like to see some more volume coming in here. Today so far 11.75 thousand Bitcoin have been bought. Yesterday 9.2 thousand. So we're seeing some green come in on the weekly. Yeah, even though this week we're at Wednesday now and we have 31,000 Bitcoin. Last week was 130,000. So like to see some volume come in here. I believe once we get the breakout of this flag here, I believe you're going to see a lot more volume coming in. All right, so keep an eye on Bitcoin. We get this breakout, that would be a move of 6%. Okay, and so far on the monthly here, that would give us a move, almost a 39% move out of Bitcoin with that target up there at that we're looking for, up at 36.8. All right, so things are looking good for Bitcoin, guys. That's looking good for the rest of the market. That's going to make everything run here. All right, so keep your eye on Bitcoin. It's ready to break out anytime. Thanks a lot. Please hit the like and subscribe. Consider being a member of the channel, guys. I could definitely use some members. I got the ones I have. Thank you so very, very much. I'm just a small channel, so every bit helps. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Have a great day.